Miracle, since you came along, you sexy thing.
Alright, well, welcome back again, folks. Good to see you cats again. You remember the video I did there a while back. It's been, well, I don't know, no matter how long it's been, it depends on how these come at you, what order. But you remember the video I did a while back of Aileen Music sent me 2 guitars. And one was classical guitar and one was, I forget what the other one is. I call it a Django Reinhardt guitar because it looks like, you know, those he used to play. And one of them got busted really bad. It's a miracle both of them didn't get busted. I mean, because there was no packing at all, and it was just in a cardboard box. And the boxes wasn't even taped shut. It just had it. Well, if you watched the video, you saw. Well, I got a hold of the guy and told him and sent him pictures and stuff of it. And he said, well, I'll get a hold of his client and send me another guitar in place of that one. And that's what I have right here at your feet in a great big box. And speaking of boxes not being taped, they did pack this one, but check this out. I mean, see how the lid's open? Go ahead, just put that up here if it'll fit. Both sides are just like that, two folds over here. I can't see the camera. They should have run tape, you know, over those and come down this side a little ways, halfway or so. And same with the bottom, coming, you know, around this way. And I mean, it's just I hate to knock on their packing job, but well, yeah, I am going to knock on it because this is really bad, man. Not boxed very well at all. Make sure I'm not doxing anyone. Well, they did overlap the tape a little bit on this side, but I don't know, man. I think this guitar made the trip, unlike the other one. You don't even need to cut the tape; it's just falling off, man. So now you're seeing this just like I am. Well, you saw me cut the tape off the box. I guess they did pack this one a little bit better. So hopefully it made the seam. There's another box inside of here. And there it is. I'm going to stop the camera because I obviously got to get rid of some stuff here. And I'll bring you back and we'll check this one out. And I see a big, it looks like it's been dropped just like those other boxes did. There's a hole in it down here. Right there, if you can see that. And if you look at the end of it right there, looks like it's been squashed. Hold on, I'm going to stop the camera and get organized a little bit better, if that's possible for this cat to do. And I'll bring you right back. It's taking a hit right there. And it's taking a hit on that corner, right there in the dark corner. And come all the way down here, that corner, and this whole end. This corner right here is taking a hit. And you can see all of this has been squashed. I just want to document that in case this one's busted. Winds, or Winz, W-I-N-Z-Z, by Aileen Music. Proprietary bracing system that produces incredible sound. Handcrafted by highly skilled craftsmen. Designed for advanced musicians, advanced students, and recreational musicians. Okay, you're seeing it. Oh, check this out. I just found another hit in the box. You're seeing it. I'm seeing it just like you are. I haven't even had the lid off of it yet. The last guitars, they just sent like this. The box wasn't taped shut or anything. And I really was amazed that one of them actually made it here that way. Okay, we got another tuner. See what that looks like. We've got another guitar cord. I'll lay that over there with that other one. And strings. Yeah, the other one came with strings. I forgot about that. Let's something else here. Oh, polishing cloth. Yeah, polishing cloth. Alright, very gently get rid of this piece of box. That's how y'all been doing, man. It's the top of the guitar. I can feel the strings and the pegs. Oh, here's the zipper. It's been hot here, man. I am telling you what, it has been hot here. Been working the ACs overtime. It's supposed to get up to around 100 degrees, they're saying. Yeah, probably by the time you guys see this video, it will already have got up to 100 degrees. There's the truss rod adjusting. Always glad to see that. You know, a lot of big name companies don't send you that with the guitar. You should always get one for your guitar that fits. Are you ready? If you hear funny noises in this video, there's two dogs in here. Cue Ball and Zeke are in here with me. And they're waiting on someone to come. They're over at the door. Alright. We'll have a look at the bracing inside this guitar. We'll go through it with a fine-tooth comb. This looks, I was going to say identical to the other one, but I think the other one might have been a little bit darker in color. Yeah, I'm just giving it the once over real quick. I'll get you and bring you over here. And, I guess I should show it to you too, but I'll get you and bring you over here and show you better shots of it. The other one was busted right there. It had been dropped right on that corner. This one made it. It looks like it made it fine. I don't see anything at all wrong. Classical guitar, gut strings. It's got electronics, as you can see there. I think the plug's right there. And here's what the headstock looks like. How do you guys make the call? How's that pronounced? W-I-N-Z-Z. Alright, let me put it on the bench here. And I'll bring you over closer. And we'll look at it really close. Hold on. That's what the headstock looks like again. I love those slotted headstocks, man. I like what they do. I like the design, the reason they are slotted, and I just like everything about them. Classical guitar. Very beautiful guitar too. And here's what the bridge and tailpiece looks like. I'll get you a shot inside of it if I can. There's a model number in there, AC3RCE3P. It looks like. I don't have my glasses on. Maybe you can see it. No, the camera. There it is. I don't know if you can see that enough to read it or not. But that's what she looks like. Flip it up here and show you the electronics controls. There all that is. Battery check. I'm assuming that light comes on if the battery's good. It's not. Maybe you have to turn it on. I don't know how you turn it on. But the light's not coming on. Maybe it doesn't have a battery. Yeah, it does have a battery. There's the side, what the side looks like. The neck joint looks good too. Looks like a nice fit. Flop him on over. We'll look at the back. Maybe that is the same. I'm thinking that other guitar, the one like this that got busted, I'm thinking it was darker in color than this. I don't know. Maybe not. Gives you a good look at the neck joint. A lot of that's light reflection, I think. There's a joint right there. I see a scarf joint. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. Right there. And it says right here, what's it say? I don't have my glasses on. I gotta use the zoom. Made in China, I think. I thought they were made in Canada. I was thinking that. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. But there she is. She made the trip just fine this time. Thank goodness. Show it to you one more time under this light up closer. There's the headstock. The fretboard. Well, I'll tell you what, these guys know how to do a finish job, man. I got to give them credit for that. And we'll go through this guitar. There's the sides and the back. That's where you plug into an amp. There's the back of it. They know how to finish, man. This looks like it might have been a demonstrator model or a floor model. And he just wiped it off maybe a little bit, but at least it made the trip. Check that gold hardware out. I can see that shining in the light. Wow. Very bright. Beautiful gold. I messed around with the keys a little bit to turn them, but they're slick, smooth. They feel like, you know, quality keys. But like I say, we will go through this with a fine-tooth comb, man. We'll go inside. Proprietary bracing. I want to go in and check all the bracing out, see, you know, how it's constructed and everything. And I'll get this one out. This was the first one they sent. And see, it looks like it was brand new. It's a little shinier than the other one. The other one will shine up too. There's what happened in shipping. If you remember or watched that video. This first one is a little bit darker than this was the first one when it got busted. This is the new one that came in today. You can see it's a little bit darker top. And the backs are almost the same, a little bit different pattern. I noticed too the bridge material is different. You can see that. Different kind of bridge material on each one of them. But other than that, they're pretty much the same guitar. And I'm going to review these guitars. I got to get back with him and read through our notes. One or the other he sent me, not these two, but either this one or that other Reinhardt guitar. He wanted me to do one or the other of them first. I can't remember which it was, but I'm going to review both of them eventually. And we'll also inspect them very close. I'll take you down inside. Might take the put mirrors down in it, or take the stethoscope. That's not what I can't think what it's called, man. My brain freezes when the camera runs. Anyways, it's a camera with a light on it, and you stick it down in and just to show around, look around. Whatever it's called, I cannot think. I have it laying right here, I think. I'm not going to try to find it because I don't see it right offhand, but you know what I'm talking about. I got videos where I looked in guitars before with it. But we'll do something, either that or put mirrors in there. I want to look at this guitar, the one that got busted. I want to go down inside and look at this area that got busted from inside. Shine a light along here and check it all out. I'm going to fix this. And who knows, man, one of the three guitars, if you watch the other video, you know what the Reinhardt guitar looks like. That's what I call it. That's not the real model of it. One or two, or maybe all three of them will eventually end up being contest guitars. I don't know yet. It's way too soon to be saying that. Or I may keep one. I may keep them all. I don't know, man. I just don't know right now. But as I understand, they're all three mine, or they will be after I do the review on these two. Those other two, not these two here. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Here's the Les Paul repair so far. You remember how that was stuck up, and this. I don't have a macro lens on, but it ain't stuck up so much anymore. That's not flat. That one is. That's flatter. But by the time you see this video, this guitar will be way farther along than it is right now. Cheers. Thanks for watching.